Stop downloading all of those free trials and spending days tinkering with new tech. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 must-have softwares you need to manage your growing group offer. If you want to make sure you have the most scalable tech stack for your growing group program, mastermind, or membership, you're going to want to stick around. I'm Ashley, and I'm an Airtable and automation expert that helps coaches organize and automate the back-end operations of their 6- and 7-figure group offers. I've helped countless entrepreneurs use Airtable to improve their student experience, make data-driven decisions, and have their biggest launches yet, all without burning out their team. By the end of this video, you're going to get clear on the 3 required pieces of software that you need to manage your growing group program, mastermind, or membership. These 3 software I'm about to share with you, I require for absolutely all of my clients. I really want to encourage you not to go and try to find cheaper solutions. Stop your searching, stop Googling, and just go with these 3 pieces of tech. We want you to be on a systems foundation that is scalable, and these 3 tools are absolutely the best on the market. New alternatives might pop up. They might be shinier, they might be cheaper, but when it comes to your systems, I want you on tried and true solutions, and these have worked for me and dozens of my clients. So instead of researching software alternatives that will save you a couple $100 a year, focus on bringing in clients that will more than cover the cost, and just watch this video and sign up for these 3 pieces of tech. The first piece of tech that is absolutely a requirement for your growing group offer is Airtable. So Airtable is going to be your database. It is going to be your source of truth for every moving piece of your group program, mastermind, or membership. So literally any spreadsheet that you're currently using, any Google form that you're currently using, we're going to retire that software and we're going to use Airtable instead. Airtable is absolutely the best database software on the market and is amazing for running a group program. There are so many moving pieces of a group program, right? You've got your curriculum, you've got your student details, when they're getting offboarded, their graduation dates, their Q&A call form submissions. There's just so much data related to running a group program that when all of that data is centralized in one single place, all in Airtable, you're going to be able to analyze that data. You're going to be able to do some really fun automations and just have a really high level overview of how your students are doing in your program, how your program is performing overall, and you can continue to refine it and make it even better for your students. So no more digging in your drive for different spreadsheets, different Google forms. All of that is just going to be in one nice place inside of Airtable. There are so many ways that Airtable can help you manage and run your group program, and we cover a lot of those and show some really great examples in our free masterclass, the 3 Airtable systems you need to set up before your next 6-figure group program launch. So feel free to check that out. It's totally free to sign up, and the link is below. The next piece of tech that you need is Zapier, which is an automation software. So like I just said, Airtable becomes your source of truth for all of your data, but how does it all get in there? Zapier. Zapier is how all of that information connects. Zapier is a super easy to use automation software, and it helps your technology talk to each other. So anytime you get a new student in your checkout platform, Zapier will automatically bring that data over into Airtable. So there's so many things you can automate in your business that you probably haven't even thought of yet. A lot of your manual work we can totally eliminate using Zapier. And so Zapier is absolutely a requirement. It is the best automation software on the market right now. We absolutely love it, and it's pretty intuitive to use, even if you don't know a lot of code, if you're not super techie. Zapier helps you make the most out of automation without really having to understand a lot of complex coding. The third piece of tech is Whimsical. So Whimsical is probably the most unique and surprising tech requirement that we have for managing a group offer, but it is totally a game changer. So we use Whimsical for documentation and SOPs, standard operating procedures. As your group program grows and you start to build more automations and you have more moving pieces, it can get really confusing to understand how everything works and how everything fits together. Whimsical is absolutely the best solution for understanding how everything in your business is working. So instead of making dozens of Loom videos or writing down a million steps in a Google Doc that is totally out of date by the time you're done making it, we use Whimsical to create really beautiful visual outlines of our workflows. One of the things we love about Whimsical is that you're able to have a high-level color-coded overview of how everything fits together, but your team can click in and see even more robust details about the way things work, links, more context, all of that stuff. So it's really helpful for not only the CEO and like the visionary, but also the operations team, so they can really have everything they need in one super easy and customizable visual SOP. I'm super curious, which of these 3 software are you already using and which ones are you going to set up and play with? Let us know in the comments below. You have Airtable for your database, Zapier for your automation, and Whimsical for your visual SOPs and outlines for your workflows. There's other pieces of tech that are required to run your group program. You need a course platform, you need a checkout software. If you have a community, you need a community. Those things are important. If you have questions on that part of your tech stack, we actually cover more of our tech recommendations in our free masterclass, which you can sign up for below. So if you have these 3, if you have Airtable, if you have Zapier, if you have Whimsical, the rest can fit into place. Everything else you have can work around it. We have some favorite checkout platforms. We have some favorite course platforms that are the most automation friendly, the most Airtable friendly, but really anything you've got, we can work with. So if you're curious about Airtable, Zapier, and Whimsical and how these 3 can help you grow and scale your group offer, please sign up for our free masterclass, the 3 systems you need before your next 6-figure group program launch. I literally show you exactly what your setup should look like, give you even more tech recommendations, and really just share all the behind the scenes of the tech you need to run a growing group offer. So I will see you inside of that masterclass. And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you have any questions about all things Airtable, Zapier, or Whimsical, and we'll see you in the next video.